All right, guys, we have this beautiful client. I can't reveal her name because her director said not to. Because this girl's, my opinion, she could be a movie star, playing in one of the amazing movies. Look this way, back up a little bit. Okay, look to your right shoulder, left shoulder. Keep left shoulder and stay there, please. Don't bring it back because I'm working with a very sharp shear. You know what that means? Sharp shear cuts. When it cuts, it may cut something else. So that's why you gotta focus. It's my bodyguard. Look at this shoulder. Your right, yeah. Chin up a little bit. Isabella's mother is an amazing skincare professional, so she's also my client. And I didn't know Isabella has this much hair. And look down for me. So your birthday tomorrow, huh? Chin up a little bit now, okay. Keep your head straight. Is the school over for you already, or?
Yeah, ended yesterday.
What grade you gonna be next year?
8th grade.
Cool. You're kind of keep staying a little bit hump. You must be on your phone all the time. You have phone?
Yeah, but I like to go outside a lot, but I haven't been able to do that much because of my work.
So that means you stay on look at your phone a lot.
I wouldn't say a lot, but
A lot.
sure.
I know it. Because your body posture changes real fast. That tells me. So you keep it straight. You do any sports?
I used to, and I might.
Like what?
I used to play soccer.
Oh man, I love soccer. When I was in Turkey, I played soccer with my brother and nephews. Turn around. Look down for me. Yeah, back up a little bit. This way. No, this way. So I like to twist the hair, guys. There's a reason behind it. Because I like the hair move rather than just sit real solid. Because I know I'm going to put a layer on her hair. So that's part of the foundation of a good layer idea. Is twist the hair before you just cut it straight. You already create that layer foundation when you do that. See that? It's beautifully flow, the softer. Because of twisting, you get the softness right there.
My voice, it doesn't normally sound like this.
Hmm?
Do you hear my voice doesn't really sound like this normally.
I can't hear you. Let me finish this and then I'll listen to you, okay? I can't do two things in one time. That's why I'm an artist and some people can do a few things at one time, but not me. If I'm doing this, that's what I'm doing. I do not like destruction and I don't respect people create destruction around me. Isn't that crazy? When I'm doing something, I just don't want any. Step forward just a little bit. Step forward, yeah. A little bit more. Thank you. This is my dry cutting shears made by Honda Kimikaze, Japan. And he will be at the hair show visiting United States at the hair show, premiere show from Japan. I'm looking forward to seeing him. He's actually going to bring me a shear or two. We're going to do a video. So this right here, guys, creates beautiful soft layers right here. It's all ready. And you can't really see where it ends and begins because of the way I cut the hair. So So what I do is I come in an angle. Coming in an angle. And then I take the hair, I twist it a little bit. Not a little bit, quite a bit, because I want the hair really flow with the rest of the hair. This is the best technique I discovered myself to do this. Create a lot of beautiful softness instead of going with the old typical stuff where some rookies taught in the beauty school had really no artistic ability. Because when they say draw this and do that, to me, that's right there. Everybody following one person's idea, not me. I like to create my own idea. Because if I try to listen other artists' work, that means their work, and I'm implanting their ideas into my work. That doesn't work like that for me. I do what I think is the best, and it works every time. Thank you, brother. Teşekkür ederim kuzen. And if you see, guys, I'm cutting it dry because dry hair cutting is one of the best hair cutting technique you can ever learn and implement, because person doesn't walk around with a wet hair for all day. So dry hair is like driving in a rainy weather or a dry weather. Which one is the best? You have the more seeing everything. When it's dry, you can see real sound. Do you mind taking these brushes from my drawer, please? You can see where you're going. Because when it's wet, you're so cautiously driving, whatever. Same thing with anything, my opinion. Okay? So I believe dry hair cutting is the best hair cutting technique among any best of the best master of hairdressing. Cut it dry, you get a better, perfect result. This looks very, very easy. Don't try to do it at home. Believe me. I've done this 1,000 times probably. Been doing hair close to 40 years. So you can see how nice, beautifully flows. Turn around, my sweetheart. A bit more. Perfect. Okay, good. What do you think about so far? A lot of movement, right? But I'm still going, so I'm like in the corridor of the time, part of what I'm doing for you. Here, look down for me just a little bit. Okay. I like to see my work visually because that is the best way. Step forward a little bit. Perfect, thank you, thank you. Miss Isabella here, she's gonna be starting 13. Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Wow. You're gonna have bat mitzvah? Or maybe, what is that called? Quincera, whatever in Spanish? No, not.
Yeah, she's not gonna be able to.
Because I see she has a lot of wave in her hair too. This perfectly flows with her hair. I'm very sure that she doesn't do much with her hair because she came here. So, she's already, bless her heart, she has a little problem with one of her arm. When you were playing soccer, somebody fell on your arm?
No, I fell.
I'm sorry, baby. I remember when I used to wrestle in Greco-Roman and I tried to stop the guy putting my back in the ground so I won't lose, and my wrist hurt like 3-4 months. I was your age actually, honest to God. So I used to do wrestling, Greco-Roman wrestling. Okay, turn to me. Yeah. Okay. So when I do your hair, I'm looking at whole thing, your silhouette, your legs are not straight. You gotta keep them, yeah. Because you know what I mean. I want to make sure I give you the best haircut of your 13 years of age to get you in the perfect 13 with the perfect haircut. Nah, just like that. Yeah. try to play soccer against your brothers?
Sometimes, but not that much.
Who's better in soccer, you or your brothers?
Well, it depends.
They play soccer too?
They used to.
Oh, okay. I have 3 older sisters, so. Do you use conditioner?
Yeah.
Did you use conditioner last night?
I didn't wash it last night.
When did you wash your hair last time?
Like 2 nights ago.
Yeah, you know, this area is so dry.
Yeah.
Where's your mama?
Where's what?
Is Rachel here? I don't see Rachel. Rachel, come over here. I want to introduce you on my social media network.
Okay.
Guys, she's been trying to offer me a free, F-R-E-E, facial, but I told her I don't need a facial. I'm good looking enough. But,
Everybody needs a facial.
okay, you said so. Guess what? She twists my arm.
And,
I'm going
and
there.
laser hair removal.
What else?
Microneedling. Do microneedling.
We do waxing too, right?
No.
Wax
Laser hair
on, wax
removal.
off, Daniel's son. Miyagi. We leave the waxing back there. So yeah, Miss Rachel is amazing. I do her hair too. She's a client and she's a sweetheart. And obviously, talk is cheap. You gotta try her out. And I can vouch for it because I've known people talk about it, especially one of my amazing client, Dana Hemrick.
Yes.
He brags about Miss Rachel all the time. He thinks Miss Rachel hung the moon.
He did microneedling.
Oh yeah. But I gotta do it. You gotta do it. Just do it. Don't talk about it. This haircut is like a multi, whatever you want to do with it, it'll do for you. See that look? It automatically travels away from your face. You know what I mean? That's a good haircut. And it's just look at it. Look at yourself. See that? It's not beautiful. A lot of movement. That's the key of a really excellent haircut is movement, texture, bouncing up, not so flat to the hair. Everybody can cut hair. So can you. Trust me, I can teach you haircut in 2 minutes. It's not about the cuttings, it's approach, knowledge, wisdom behind the philosophy, right? There are a bunch of teachers, but there are very few professors. Why? It takes a lot of professors, a lot of education. That's where I come in. I've been doing almost close to 40 years. So I got PhD in this and some. I have 2 sons. They used to sweep floor for me. Now they don't want to come here.
Yeah, how old are your sons?
25 and 21. But what can I do? What can I do sometime? It's on them. You know, my dad didn't do hair. My father was in textile. And then late in his life, it started being an extra in the movies. The producers and actors loved my dad so much. My dad actually been in many movies as an extra. Actors used to kiss my dad's hand. Famous actors. And my dad is a special man. So, but anyways, I didn't follow his footsteps. Maybe I was in a movie a couple of times, you know. Remake of Footloose, I'm in the dancing scene. It was shot at Cowboys with Juliana Hough. Of course, they didn't put that part in the movie. Oh well, I'm disappointed. But I'm not hurt. Because I'm not really love movies so much. It's so much pretension. Don't talk, just pretend. Forget about it. I like to talk. That's why I'm talking right now. It's true. I wasn't
You go back and
focused.
forth. You either talk a lot or you don't talk much at all.
Yes, I agree with you. Because right now I got the camera. That's why.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I don't like to talk because I like focusing on, especially if it's something complicated. I'm doing color or I'm looking at something. My mind is engaged with that. Being a Sagittarius, I don't like distraction.
I didn't know you were Sagittarius. I'm a Sagittarius too.
Yeah. What month were you born?
December.
Me too.
Oh.
I'm December 1st, baby.
Oh, I'm 4. Cool.
That's cool.
Fire. Passion.
Listen, I got a lot of Sagittarius customers.
Uh-oh.
It's a blessing. We're gonna, of course, wash and blow dry and do all kinds of things with your hair. But I like artists like, carving ice carver. Take the rough canvas or the guys make bear or eagle or whatever from the wood. This is my art. This is my canvas. Actually, we're going to wash your hair. You have so much tangling in there. That looks amazing. I know some of you watch me on Facebook, but you never. And you saw Miss. Get you come over here for a second.
I'm like,
I got this gorgeous lady. That's her daughter, and look at this beautiful lady right here. Thank God I'm taller than these customers. I'm always too short because I don't have a 6'9". I have a 6'9" customer.